I'm Sharon. Today we are doing a review on this beautiful wig that I have on right here, right now. She's a pop on and go joint, okay? Which means less time, less effort, but the same slay, okay? So let's get into it.
Hey y'all, so today's wig was sent over from Nadula Hair. This is just what their packaging looks like. You know, they always give you the little goodies inside of the box. But let's get into this wig. This is their Wear and Go Jerry Curly wig. It's a 4x4 closure, and it basically is a pop on and go wig. Like, you literally can just, I mean, if you don't co-wash wigs, but I co-wash wigs. But if you don't, you can literally take it out of the box and pop it on because the lace is already pre-cut for you, so it's ready to go. It has your typical construction, combs on the side, combs on the back, adjustable strap that adjusts from one side to the other. The density on this lace is really, really, really good. It is like a light colored lace, but look how good it blends, girl. It blends. Okay, so now I'm going to co-wash it and I'll be back.
Hey y'all, so this is the wig after it has been co-washed and air dried. Look at the curl pattern, super pretty. Now, they say that this wig is supposed to be like a pop on and go wig. Like, you're supposed to literally just be able to very easily throw this wig on and go without having to do anything to it. So I have not done anything to this wig except co-washing it and then letting it air dry, because I like when the curl pattern looks like this and not like how it comes. So I just co-washed it, but I didn't do anything else. The lace is already cut off and it looks really good. So I didn't put anything in the part or anything. I'm really about to see, like, are we going to be able to just pop this wig on and go? Because that's what you're supposed to be able to do. Now, I don't know if they meant like in terms of not doing anything to the knots, like bleaching or adding foundation and stuff like that. So I'm going to try it on first to see. But I think I might have to like add something to the part just so like the knots are not like so apparent. The thing that is making me a little nervous is this has that breathable cap, so it's like it's just basically tracks on a cap, and then it has like the cap on the outer sides, but it's no, like, you know how the caps usually are. It's not like that. It's like breathable. So that makes me nervous because what if you can see my wig cap? So y'all gonna have to tell me like if you can see my wig cap, cause please, I don't want nobody to be able to see my wig cap. But yeah, as I'm like looking at the mannequin head, like I can see the head of, like, I can see the man. You probably can't see it on camera, but like I can see the mannequin's head. So I'm just like, are you gonna be able to like see my cap? Anyways, this is supposed to be a pop on and go, so we literally about to, in real time, just pop her on and go and see how it works out. I got my cap right here. Already laid my own edges down. Oh, I forgot my mirror. Let me go get my mirror. Okay, so let's see. Let's pop it on. Really hope you won't be able to see my wig cap. I feel like I'm gonna need to adjust the straps a little more. Yeah, I gotta adjust the straps some more. That junk feel loose as heck. Is that my hair right there? Okay, so it's definitely pop on and go. I'm gonna have to cut a little bit of this lace off though, because it's kind of like the way it's positioning into my hairline. I mean, I guess I could leave it. That's actually my hair right there. I'm gonna leave it. But what I do need to do is add something to the part. Definitely. So let me go get the stuff for that. Oh wait, tell me if you can see my cat. I have to like really try to, you know, fluff it so it's like not OD noticeable. But let me go get the stuff. Okay, got the goods. Okay, so I added some, you can still kind of see my cap because of the density in the front. You can still see the cap a little bit, but I added some powder to the part just to kind of like help blend it out. But I know you can see that like the part is kind of blended to perfection. It looks really good. This is so pretty, okay? Super cute this curl pattern is. I really hope you can't see my cap. I'm like feeling and I don't feel like you can see it. Let me see. Oh, you can't see it. You can't see. Oh, it's lit like a big baby. That's beautiful. We love that for me. Okay, so let's get into it. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at this curl pattern. It's so pretty. But moreover, this is actually a pop on and go wig. Obviously, I had to kind of like add some powder to the part. I feel like with anything that's supposed to be like put on and go, you're gonna make it your own in some type of a way. So it is pop on and go in terms of like the wig comes with the lace already cut off. You don't really have to worry about cutting off the lace or anything like that. The density of the closure portion of the wig is really nice. And if you do like to, like, you know how I wear my wigs, I put my wigs behind my hairline, so it's definitely pop on and go for me, baby, because like I don't have to worry about like doing the edges and all of that stuff. But if you do lay your wigs like that and you do like to like lay the edges and do all of that stuff and customize it, then it's still easier for you to do because you don't have to worry about like cutting the lace off, and it's only a closure, so you don't have to worry about all the way from one ear to the other. Like, you know what I'm saying? You just got to worry about the closure part. So it will save you some time in terms of that. But it's for me, like the way I wear my wigs, okay, baby, pop it on, put it behind the hairline, fix the part, and she's ready to go. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. If you're interested in the wig, I will leave all of the links to the wig and the company down in the description box for you to check it out. Once again, thanks to Nadula Hair for sending me over this wig and collaborating with your girl on today's video. We truly appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!